Welcome to the Bright Ideas simulation. In this simulation, you can test 4 different types of light bulbs to find out which one is the most cost efficient over a fixed time. Begin by selecting the first bulb you want to test. Note the wattage for that particular bulb is now displayed in front of the socket. Click on the timer button located at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen to provide electricity to the bulb. The timer will then count down from 50,000 hours on the bottom left. When the bulb breaks, the timer will immediately stop counting down. You will continually need to select the same bulb again from the shelf and click on the timer button to resume the countdown until the timer reaches 0. In some cases, you'll have to test many bulbs and be very patient before completing the 50,000 hour testing period. Throughout the testing period, the cost of the bulbs and the cost of electricity will be updated together with the total cost in the display bar at the bottom of the screen. In addition, the display bar also shows the average lifespan of the number of bulbs. Once the timer reaches 0 hours left, you have completed the testing for that particular bulb. A handy chart will then show up allowing you to compare the results of the 4 types of bulbs. Since you have only tested one bulb at this point, click the Reset button located on the bottom right corner of the light bulb base and continue to test and evaluate the remaining bulbs.